Boys and girls, you're going to write your first name, last name, and date on this top line. The main idea and details. Read the main idea in the top box, right here. Write 3 details in the boxes below it. So the main idea is George Washington's spies used code to help win the war. Use your scholastic news to come up with 3 details that talk about this main idea of George Washington using spies and codes to help win the war. Then on the back it says write a secret message. You're going to use the code key right here on the left to reveal the message. Then try using it to write your own secret message. See if a friend can reveal your message. I'm going to be your friend. I'm going to see if I can figure it out. I'm very excited. Okay, so here's the code. Each letter refers to a symbol. So A is this backwards L thing. This B looks like a squared off U, etc. And there's all the way down. Okay? And you're going to match the picture to the letter, and you're going to write the letter underneath on this line. So for example, this first one is like a 7. So I'm going to look over here to find a picture that looks like this 7, and I see I see this letter G here matches this. So I'm going to, on this line, I always start with a capital because it's my first letter. I'm going to start with a G. Then I'm going to look for this symbol, this O looking thing. And I'm going to look down. Oh, look, this one right here matches. It's the letter E. Okay? So I'm going to put an E on the line, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to then look for this C with a dot in the middle, and I'm going to keep going all the way down until I figured out what each symbol means, and I'm going to have the secret code. I'm going to have a sentence when I'm done. Then your next step is to create your own secret message. So you're going to come up with a sentence, and you're going to use this code here and write out your sentence in symbols like they have here. Please put spacers between the words. And then I'm going to act as your friend, and I'm going to see if I can figure out what your code was. I can't wait to see what you come up with.